Hello friends, Assalamu-O-ALAIKUM. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Oneza. Let's read and learn Oxford Modern English, 3rd edition for grade 1. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Unit 12, Part 1, The Rain, Complete Lesson. Urdu translation and solved exercise. 12th lesson, The Rain. Jamal was a farmer. He had a wife and 2 children. He lived in a tiny village near Multan. Jamal had a well on his land, but there was no water in it. Every day, Jamal looked at the sky. There were no clouds. The hot sun looked down on Jamal and laughed. Jamal went to Masood. Please lend me 50 rupees, he said. I can't, replied Masood. There's no rain. No rain means no crops in the fields. When the rain comes, you can have the money. Jamal went home and looked in the little box under the bed. We have 60 rupees, he said to his wife. We can eat for a few more days. Then what shall we do? Every day, Jamal looked at the sky. The sun laughed down at him. There were no clouds. Everyone was hungry. After a few days, Jamal looked in the box. Again 4 rupees. We only have 4 rupees for food, he said to his wife. And then, said his wife, and then no food, said Jamal. They looked very sad. Suddenly, Jamal's wife touched her earrings. What about these? She asked. I gave you those on our wedding day, said Jamal. Jamal's wife took off her earrings. A tear dropped from her eye. Sell them, she said. We need food. Jamal was very sad, but he took the earrings and walked off towards the town. Suddenly, he stopped. Rain, rain, he shouted. The rain came pouring down. Jamal was very happy. Words to know. Lend,
उदार,
farmer,
किसान,
tiny,
छोटा,
well,
कुआं,
clouds,
बादल,
loft,
हंसा,
crops,
फसलें,
fields,
खेत,
little,
छोटा, थोड़ा,
hungry,
बुका,
food,
खाना,
sad,
उदास,
suddenly,
अचानक,
touched,
चूहा,
earrings,
बालियां,
wedding,
शादी,
town,
कस्बा,
pouring.
बहा.
Translation. The rain.
बारिश,
Jamal was a farmer. He had a wife and 2 children.
जमाल एक किसान था, उसकी एक बीवी और 2 बच्चे थे।
He lived in a tiny village near Multan.
वो मुल्तान के करीब एक छोटे से गांव में रहता था।
Jamal had a well on his land, but there was no water in it.
जमाल के ज़मीन पर एक कुआं था, लेकिन उसमें पानी नहीं था।
Every day, Jamal looked at the sky. There were no clouds.
जमाल रोज़ाना आसमान पर देखता था, कोई बादल नहीं थे।
The hot sun looked down on Jamal and laughed.
गरम सूरज जमाल को देखता और हंसता था।
Jamal went to Masood. Please lend me 50 rupees, he said.
जमाल मसूद के पास गया। मेहरबानी करके मुझे 50 रुपए उधार दे दो, उसने कहा।
I can't, replied Masood. There's no rain.
मैं नहीं दे सकता, मसूद ने जवाब दिया, बारिश नहीं हो रही।
No rain means no crops in the fields.
बारिश नहीं है तो खेत में फसलें भी नहीं है।
When the rains come, you can have the money.
जब बारिश होगी तो पैसे होंगे।
Jamal went home and looked in the little box under the bed.
जमाल घर गया और बिस्तर के नीचे छोटे से संदूक में देखा।
We have 60 rupees, he said to his wife.
हमारे पास 60 रुपए हैं, उसने अपनी बीवी से कहा।
We can eat for a few more days. Then what shall we do?
हम मज़ीद चंद दिन खा सकते हैं, फिर हमें क्या करना होगा?
Every day, Jamal looked at the sky.
रोज़ाना जमाल आसमान पर देखता था।
The sun laughed down at him. There were no clouds. Everyone was hungry.
सूरज उस पर हंसता था, आसमान पर बादल नहीं थे, हर कोई भूखा था।
After a few days, Jamal looked in the box again. 4 rupees.
चंद दिन बाद जमाल ने फिर संदूक में देखा, 4 रुपए।
We only have 4 rupees for food, he said to his wife.
हमारे पास सिर्फ 4 रुपए हैं खाने के लिए, उसने अपनी बीवी से कहा।
And then said his wife.
फिर क्या करेंगे? उसकी बीवी ने कहा।
And then no food, said Jamal.
और फिर कोई खाना नहीं, जमाल ने कहा।
They looked very sad. Suddenly, Jamal's wife touched her earrings.
वो बहुत परेशान दिखाई देते। अचानक जमाल की बीवी ने अपने बालियों को छुआ।
What about these? She asked.
इसके बारे में क्या ख्याल है? उसने पूछा।
I gave you those on our wedding day, said Jamal.
मैंने आपको ये शादी के दिन दिए थे, जमाल ने कहा।
Jamal's wife took off her earrings. A tear dropped from her eye.
जमाल की बीवी ने अपनी बालियां उतारी, उसके आंखों से आंसू टपका।
Sell them, she said. We need food.
इन्हें बेच दो, उसने कहा, हमें खाने की ज़रूरत है।
Jamal was very sad, but he took the earrings and walked off towards the town.
जमाल बहुत परेशान था, लेकिन उसने बालियां ले ली और कस्बे की तरफ चला गया।
Suddenly, he stopped. Rain, rain, he shouted.
अचानक वो रुका। बारिश बारिश वो चिल्लाया।
The rain came pouring down. Jamal was very happy.
बारिश बरस गई। जमाल बहुत खुश था।
Exercises. A. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. Why was there no water in Jamal's well? Because there was no rain. What did Jamal do every day? Why? Looked at the sky every day for rain. What did Jamal ask Masood? Why? 50 rupees, because he wanted to buy food. What did Masood reply? No rain means no crops and no money. How much money did Jamal find at home? Jamal found 60 rupees at home. Why did Jamal go towards the town? To sell his wife's earring. What made Jamal happy? The rain made Jamal happy. 2. Are these sentences true or false? Jamal had 3 children. False. There was no water in Jamal's well. True. There were thick white clouds in the sky. False. Jamal lived in a big village near Multan. False. Jamal sold his wife's earrings. False. 3. Correct the sentences that are wrong. Write all the correct sentences in your notebook. Jamal had 2 children. There were no clouds in the sky. Jamal lived in a small village near Multan. Jamal did not sell his wife's earrings. Rain is important. 4. An environment is all living things and non-living things in one place. Rain is very important for our environment. Write down 3 good things about rain. Rain gives us water. Rain is important for crops and trees. Rain makes our environment clean. B. Working with words. 1. Find these words in the story. The letters of these words are jumbled. Rain, clouds, asleep, after, rupees. C. Learning about language, punctuation. Put full stops and capital letters in the following. One day, Masood went to Multan. He took 20 bags of fruit. He went to a big shop in Tank Street. He sold the fruit to Mr. Khan, then he came home again. Simple past tense. 1. Choose the correct word from the brackets. Jamal did not sell the earrings. Sell. Jamal did not went to town. Go. The rain did not come. Came. Come. Jamal did not borrowed 50 rupees. Borrow. 2. Add not to the following. You will have to change or add some words. Jamal sold his wife's earrings. Jamal did not sell his wife's earrings. Jamal went to Multan. Jamal did not go to Multan. Jamal borrowed 50 rupees. Jamal did not borrow 50 rupees. Jamal's wife took off her earrings. Jamal's wife did not take off her earrings. D. Listening and speaking. 1. Who said the following? Listen to the sentences carefully. Now, say the sentences aloud, just like the people in the story would have done. No rain means no crops. Masood. Sell them. Jamal's wife. And then no food. Jamal. Then what shall we do? Jamal. Please lend me 50 rupees. Jamal. Rain, rain. Jamal. Activity. Jamal lived near Multan in southern Punjab. Jamal lived in a small village called Khuda Bakhsh Basti. We write Jamal's address like this. Name Mr. Jamal. House number and street 12 Tank Road. Village, town Khuda Bakhsh Basti. Pin code 60060. Can you write your own address? Name Oneza Zafar. Village Jatan Banda. City Karak. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.